Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing a video on how to paint your nails red. This was actually requested, so that's the reason why I'm doing it. I actually don't think there is any difference between painting your nails red and any other color, but I do get that reds are kind of harder for some people to apply, or maybe darker colors, so that's the reason why I'm doing it, and I hope you enjoy it. The first thing that you want to do is apply base coat, obviously, but here's what I do. I always apply 2 coats of my base coat whenever I paint my nails red. Here I am currently applying my second coat of base coat, and that's the reason because the red nail polishes and kind of orangey ones, they tend to stain your nails more, and also obviously dark colors, but that's the reason why I always put 2 coats of base coat, and that's the only difference when it comes to colors like this. I will now tell you some nail painting techniques that I do, and no matter what nail polishes you use, make sure that you do get one side of your brush totally cleaned off nail polish, because otherwise nail polish will soak everywhere. So you do that, and then with other side you paint. You can see here how one side of my brush is totally clean while other is loaded with nail polish, and I absolutely love this nail polish. I'm actually so excited for Christmas and what I have planned for my YouTube channel, so I'm not going to reveal what I have planned in this video because this is about painting our nails, but stay tuned for my next video because I'm going to reveal everything in my nail show that is coming. But this is about painting your nails red. So you want to make sure, if you are not very handy, you want to make sure if your hands are shaking or anything like that to stabilize your hand as much as possible. And also you want to paint your nails very lightly, try to relax and try not to think too much about painting your nails, because this is all about fun and just being yourself. So even if you mess up, it's okay, don't worry about it. But my tip is to get not very close to cuticle, but not too far of the cuticle. So you want to get just the right way. Make it in a 3 swipe of the brush, but also you can do many little swipes. It doesn't really matter as long as you're satisfied with the finish. So you make a little dot and then push it down, and that's basically it. Try your best to stay away from the cuticles because that's where the mistake happens. So that can be tricky, but I'm applying some top coat to seal everything in. For me, I didn't have to apply 2 coats of my red, but if you do, just apply it. I usually always apply 2 coats. Just if my nail polish is perfectly opaque, I don't apply 2 coats. In this case, this was perfect to me. Then apply a top coat like you normally would, and that's all. There is not much difference when it comes to painting your nails red and any other color, but since this video was requested, I wanted to honor my subscriber and just do this video for you. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope this was helpful for someone. And if you needed tips on how to paint your nails like a pro and everything else, you can check out my channel because I do have videos on it, and I have videos on how to paint your short nails perfectly, how to paint nails for beginners. So I do have everything on my channel, so check it out, and I hope you have a great day and never let anyone dull your sparkle. Bye!